Hello everyone, a warm welcome to my YouTube channel Shalini Foods. Today's recipe is very healthy Pancharatan Burfi. Pancharatan Burfi is a popular Indian sweet delicacy that originates from the state of Rajasthan. It is cherished not only for its delightful taste but also for its cultural significance in Indian cuisine. It is often prepared during the festivals like Diwali and Raksha Bandhan, symbolizing prosperity and happiness. The combination of various nuts gives it a unique texture with the crunchiness of nuts and complementing the smoothness of ghee and sugar. The nuts used in this recipe are rich in healthy fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. They provide essential nutrients that support heart health, brain function, and overall well being. This sweet is not only enjoyed in India but also favored by people around the world who appreciate the rich and aromatic flavors of traditional Indian desserts. Let's start the recipe. Add half cup of raisins and 15 seedless dates. Add 3/4 cup of water. Cook for 5 to 10 minutes on medium heat. Switch off the flame at this stage. Let it cool completely. Add cooked raisins and dates. Now add 10 chopped almonds and 10 chopped cashews. Grind into paste without adding water. Now add half cup of jaggery, 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of water. Adjust jaggery as per your taste. Cook on medium heat. Add 2 drops of jaggery syrup into water to check the consistency. It should become like a ball as shown in the video. This is the perfect consistency for Pancharatan Burfi. Now add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee. Add half cup of dry coconut powder. Now add grinded paste. Mix well on low heat. Again add 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee. Add 5 chopped almonds and 5 chopped cashews. Apply 1 tablespoon of ghee to the plate. Cook for 15 to 20 minutes on medium heat. Mix it continuously. If needed, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of ghee. At this stage, transfer to the plate. Apply ghee to any spatula and press slightly to get a shape. Cut into pieces and let it cool completely. If you are new to my channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. Very tasty and healthy Pancharatan Burfi is ready. More sweet recipes are given in the description box. Please watch them for more delicious options. Please like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. Stay connected with me on Facebook and Instagram by following my profiles. Thanks for watching.